Hello Freedom Tool users. In this video we'll be going over what causes authorization error number 6043-0000-0000 and some common ways to resolve the error. You are receiving this error because your software is unable to recognize your security key. The most common cause of this issue is when the security key is not inserted directly into one of your computer's USB ports. Just to avoid confusion, let's talk about what your security key looks like. It's either a red or blue USB stick with a blue World Electronics lanyard hanging from it, and it also has a white label containing your 8-digit security key serial number. When you plug it into your computer's USB port, you should see a solid green light. If you plug a World Electronics USB stick into your computer and it has a flashing blue light, that is in fact not your security key, but your Bluetooth dongle. Another common misconception is people assume that their Freedom Tool flash drive is their security key. Your Freedom Tool flash drive contains the World Electronics 1-800 number on it and is in fact not your security key. If your security key has either a flashing green light or no green light whatsoever, your security key or one of your computer's USB ports may be damaged. If this is the case, you should try rebooting your computer and attempting to plug the security key into different available USB ports. If this problem still persists after following those steps, you should try your security key on a different computer. If your security key works on a different computer, then there is a problem with your old laptop and it should be replaced. If your security key does not work on a new computer, then the issue is involving the key itself and you should have your key replaced. So to sum everything up, this authorization error is caused by the software not being able to recognize your security key. Your security key needs to be plugged directly into one of your computer's USB ports and has a solid green light. So thank you for watching, and to watch other support videos, please visit us at www.world-electronics.com.